We all know AI can write sales emails in a flash, right? But what if one click, just one wrong prompt, exposes your company's most sensitive data? It's a huge risk. So the big question is, how do you tap into this amazing power without blowing everything up? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today.
Just so you know, everything we're covering today, all the strategies and the frameworks, comes directly from Chapter 5 of the Generative AI for Sales Professionals tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC.
And that really gets to the heart of the problem, doesn't it? On one hand, you've got this incredible tool that offers speed and creativity like we've never seen before. But on the other, it's a huge security landmine. You know? How do you actually use it to get ahead without accidentally leaking customer names, private pricing details, or even your entire deal strategy? That's the tightrope we're walking.
Okay, so this right here, this is the golden rule. The fundamental principle is to separate the creative and strategic stuff from the specific customer details. Think about it. You let the AI handle the heavy lifting on things like structure, tone, and creative ideas. But you, the human, you're the gatekeeper of the sensitive info. You only add that stuff in manually, right at the very end. And what's cool is, this isn't just about security. It actually forces you to be a better strategist, to really think through your message before you ever hit generate.
So, that all sounds great in theory, but how do you actually do it? Well, that's where the 5-point secure enhancement framework comes in. Seriously, this is your step-by-step playbook for safely juicing up any sales email you write, whether it's a cold outreach or a super complex follow-up. So let's dive in and break down each step.
All right, first up, subject line optimization. We've all been there, staring at a blank subject line, just guessing what might work. Forget that. Now you can just ask the AI to spit out, say, 5 different subject lines for a specific situation, like following up after someone downloads your white paper. The AI gives you the creative options, you make the smart, strategic choice, and the best part? No sensitive data ever leaves your computer.
But you know, a killer subject line is totally wasted if your opening line is a dud. This is where AI can be a game changer. It can help you write those really impactful first sentences that hook them in immediately. You can acknowledge a past conversation, for example, without ever revealing any of the confidential details. It's how you go from that generic, hope you're well, to something that instantly shows, hey, I was listening.
Okay, so you've got their attention. Now what? The structure of your email is everything, especially with complex info. You can literally use AI as your structural editor. Let's say you have to explain a complicated 3-phase implementation plan. Instead of struggling with it, you just ask the AI, hey, how should I organize this? It gives you the blueprint, the clean, logical flow, and all you have to do is plug in the specific, sensitive details later on. And let's talk about tone, because it's so important for building that connection. With AI, you can take a paragraph you've written and just calibrate it. You can tell it, hey, rewrite this to sound more consultative and less pushy, or make this sound more confident. It's literally like having a professional writing coach sitting right next to you, ready to help you tailor your message for any person, any situation.
All right, the last piece of this puzzle, the call to action, or the CTA. This has to be crystal clear. AI is fantastic at this. It can help you draft CTAs that are super specific and actionable, making it incredibly easy for your prospect to say yes. And that's the whole point, right? To make sure every single email you send is actually moving the conversation forward.
Okay, theory is great, but let's see how this framework actually works in the real world. We're going to walk through a super common scenario, the meeting follow-up.
So look at this prompt. This is a perfect example of how to do it safely. You're telling the AI you need a follow-up email after a discovery call. You give it context. The industry is healthcare technology. The goal is a technical demo. The length, the professional but warm tone. See what's missing? There are no names, no company info, no specific details from the call. It's completely anonymized, but it still gives the AI more than enough to create a fantastic, relevant draft that you can then quickly personalize yourself.
Okay, let's tackle another one we've all faced, the prospect who just goes dark. Radio silence, what do you do? This is where AI can really help you be persistent, but in a smart, gentle way.
Now, this prompt is so effective because it's not just asking for a checking in email. No, it's strategic. It specifically asks the AI to provide new value or insight, something they haven't heard from you before. And crucially, it asks for a graceful exit option. This little detail shows massive respect for the prospect's time, and it keeps the door open without being pushy. It's all about being value-focused.
And you can scale this whole idea up. Don't just think one email at a time. You can use the same secure method to map out entire multi-touch campaigns.
For instance, you could ask the AI, design a 4-part email sequence for people who attended my webinar. The AI can then suggest a different piece of value to share in each email, making sure your follow-ups are always helpful and strategic, instead of just repetitive. This planning power gets even more interesting when you're selling internationally. Remember what we said about tone calibration? Well, you can use AI to understand those really important cultural differences in communication. You know, like how a direct North American style might differ from a more formal European approach. The AI can explain these nuances and then help you actually adapt your writing to fit that cultural context perfectly.
So let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. Number 1, always separate your strategy from specific customer data. That's the bedrock. 2, use that 5-point framework for every single email you want to enhance. 3, get really good at writing secure, anonymized prompts. And 4, don't be afraid to use AI for more advanced stuff like campaign planning and cultural tuning. But the most important thing to remember through all of this? You are the strategist. The AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but you're the one driving.
And that really leads to the final question, doesn't it? Your AI assistant is ready to go. It's powerful, it's capable. The real question is, are you prepared to lead it? Because if you combine the right strategy with a solid commitment to security, there's just no limit to how you can transform your results.